Hello everyone and welcome to a quick VLC media player tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make VLC your default player. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first go to the search in Windows and enter default. This will suggest the default apps. I click on these and now I can set a default program for various tasks. I can use the VLC media player for both music and videos, which is why the function is separated here in the default apps. To change the default app, I simply click on the previous player and select VLC Media Player from the list. In this way, we already have VLC as the new default player for music. Let's do the same quickly for videos. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.